My video guide is about removing the online scary alerts that come from the website Maloprotect.xyz. This is the website that displays a lot of faulty messages that try to make people download and install some potentially unwanted software. At the first glance, it might look as if these pop-ups try to help you make your computer clean, but in reality, they are not associated with any decent security software. All these pop-ups simply try to force people into downloading and installing some other potentially unwanted software. So please be very careful. Don't ever interact with these numerous fake alerts. Do not ever trust their deceitful and faulty messages. Sometimes this unusual browser behavior may be explained by the presence of some adware in your system. First thing we recommend you to do is to check the control panel and then uninstall any programs that are suspicious. If you find them here on the list, get rid of them. We also recommend that you research and investigate your system, your computer, with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the application and then start researching and investigating your computer in order to detect and delete other hidden threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.